You see it bouncing off that car? Ooh, that is already icy. Get this seat warmer, steering wheel warmer, and let's go home. I guess I'll take off my wet boots here. This is like the most cozy snow day look. It is the next day now. My camera batteries were all dead last night, so I had to stop filming, but it continued to sleet and rain and all that fun wintry mix stuff for a long time. I think throughout most of the night even. So it looks pretty icy out right now. We got 0 snow. This is all just an ice event is what everyone's been calling it. So there's that. Right now it is still below freezing and we have had a lot of rain. A storm actually came through and it was like thunder and lightning and just pouring rain. And it is still just drizzling and raining, and the rain is supposed to continue all day long. So if the temperatures stay where they're at, and they are supposed to, if not get even colder, then yeah, it's gonna be a slick mess for a little bit. So we'll see how that ends up going. I actually made potato soup last night for dinner and it was delicious. So I am gonna have some leftover potato soup for lunch. I did request a soda though, so he's gonna bring me a soda and I am gonna have some leftover potato soup in a little bit. We were just sitting here and heard a crash. As soon as I saw the trees covered in ice, I got nervous, but holy cow, it's like it hit the roof. Is that what it was? Like kind of the carport?
Look how low those limbs are.
Those are pretty low. We have a ton of sticks. Oh yeah, you can see it. How low these branches are right here.
Look up there at those lights. Look at all the eyes.
I'm trying to like get it on the camera. That's so wild. It is is 9:25 at night. We were just sitting around, realized that we were both hungry, and then we realized we didn't eat dinner because we had lunch, potato soup, at 3 o'clock, and so we just really threw off our schedule. So we decided on mac and cheese. We cleaned the kitchen a little bit today, did all of the dishes and just kind of some maintenance stuff. And so we didn't want to dirty any dishes cooking, but we also didn't want to go anywhere. So we settled on mac and cheese because that is pretty minimal dishes, especially if we just eat it out of one bowl. So I'm gonna eat what I want out of it while Donnie's in the shower, and then he is gonna finish it off while I take a shower, and then we're gonna watch a movie. We are going to dinner in my car, which happens to be the one that was frozen over. Trying to get the ice off the car. We need gas because we are actually going to Memphis tomorrow. So he eventually did get the gas cap thingy open, but now he's just trying to knock the ice off the whole side of the car. It's basically just one big old sheet of ice over the whole car.